Hi everyone, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm going to be showing you our house, and it's going to be like a before and after from fall to Christmas and winter. So I'm just going to take you through our home and show you the before and after. I'm going to put on some festive music for you guys, and I hope you enjoy.
Leaves are turning yellow. The air is getting cold. My mind is feeling mellow. The days of fall are growing old. When I say that your arms should always be around me, come the day when the snow is falling over all we see. I wake up from a slumber to the sound of carol songs. Despite the stress that we've been under, I feel today can turn out wrong. No, holding on to the feeling of complete devotion. When I'm gone, I will leave behind
really hope this video was fun for you to watch. It was fun for me to make, to see the before and after, and I just love decorating this time of year. So I hope this video gave you some ideas, or if you're like me and you like to see how other people decorate for Christmas, it's so fun to see that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're new, I hope you stick around by hitting that red subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!